know. Hello, everybody. This is my mask, and they know why we're at the Giant? You don't know? It's because we're going to buy cookie ingredients because we're making cookies. Bye. Hello, everybody. We're back. We're going to make peanut butter cookies, and my helper is Daddy here.
Hey, Jocelyn, how are you doing?
Good.
So, what are we doing today?
We're making peanut butter cookies.
My favorite.
Yep.
All right. So, what do we got?
Your mom just made it when you were a kid.
She did. This was my favorite cookie that she could make. It was awesome.
Is it same ingredients?
Same ingredients. Peanut butter. Gotta have peanut butter. Peanut butter cookies. Some
And
shortening.
brown sugar.
Oh, yes. Gotta have the
I
sugar.
love it in all my foods.
Yes.
Very much.
Yes. And then we got some vanilla extract, an egg, flour, baking soda, salt, and milk. So obviously what we're going to have to do next is measure this stuff out. So we got our measuring utensils. So we're going to do that here in a minute. We're going to speed through that, and then we'll review it, and we'll be right back together, all right?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we are back. We've got our ingredients, our first batch of ingredients measured out.
We got peanut butter.
3/4 cup, matter of fact.
And milk.
3 tablespoons of milk.
And brown sugar.
Gotta love the brown sugar. 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar.
And
Crisco, 1/2 cup of Crisco.
and
1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we are going to combine all that into our bowl with the blender.
yeah,
Right,
it
so-
shakes it, mixed with cookies, and after that we're gonna put it in the oven, wait for a minute, say ding ding, then we're gonna take it out and eat it.
I can't wait.
Yep. Okay, I can do it.
Yes, well, I need to get you your spoon. Get that in there. Yep, gotta get it all. Get it all in there. There you go. Yum, yum, yum.
Go in, guys. Hurry up. We're making cookies.
And then, woo! Yeah, there we go.
Put all our peanut butter.
Got all that in there, and then I gotta get the Crisco shortening.
Okay, I wanna do it.
There you go. All right, now we gotta get our blender. Time to get the blender ready.
Yeah. Guys, before that, cover your ears when Daddy turns on. It's gonna be so loud.
Now we like to not turn this on and plug it in until we're actually ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and start our mixing, and we'll fast forward this. For that. You don't need to speak.
Daddy, get it, got it.
They
Now
won't know that.
get your ears covered. Oh, not that loud. Not that loud.
That was scary.
Daddy, it's just peanut butter. I can see nothing.
Da 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 da. All right, now we need everybody. So now that we've got that well blended, what do we got to add next?
Yeah.
Hold on. Can you crack it without putting the shell in? Almost put the shell in, but successfully did not put the shell in. And guess what we got to do next?
Mix it.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. All right, so with a song of that, we should be all done with that. All right, so now we got to go into the next part. All right, everybody, so we're ready with step 2. So we got 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt in this nice little batch. So obviously one of the things we need to do is unlock our blender, put it up here like that. Oh my goodness, look at that yummy peanut butter. Oh my. We get all that in there, and this is going to allow us to make the cookie dough. So it doughs up and all that kind of good stuff. So we got to do this at very low speed. Otherwise we'll have flour everywhere. We'll be all poofy white. So we're going to slow that down. And we're going to fast forward through that. So we're going to speed through this really slow. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We'll even fast forward down.
Look at that cat. It's so cool. It's peanut butter. Oh yeah, my dad's
Alright, so now we've got the peanut butter dough in the bowl off to the side. We got a little extra. So for us, what we like to do is kind of just clean it. It's like a pre-snack. It's okay, it's okay. It's super good. Anyways, we're gonna get ready to get set up. Everybody, I think we got our ingredients. We got our peanut butter cookie dough. We've got our teaspoon or tablespoon, depending on the size of your cookie. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna first grab a little ball of it, and we're gonna put it into an ungreased cookie sheet.
I need one too.
Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. So just grab a cookie. Yes, it's a little bit smaller. All right, there you go. There you go. And go ahead and place it right there. We got to have it about 2 inches apart so that when the cookies grow.
I'm gonna watch them.
Yeah. So we're gonna just scoop that out right there. Oh yeah. Super yummy.
I love it.
Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Make a quick batch of peanut butter cookies. So good. While that's happening, we've got the oven behind us preheating to 375. So once it's warmed up, we'll get this first batch in there.
But Daddy, we still have a lot more.
Yeah, well, we got more than one cookie sheet. But we can only cook one at a time.
We got 2 more. We got 1 more left.
Alright, there you go. Let me put that right there. Alright, so I think this is probably good for our first batch. Alright, that's good. Alright. Well, yeah, you can't use that one anymore. So if you lick it, because it's so irresistible, that's fine. Alright, so the next thing, alright, so we got a cup. We dip a fork, right, so it doesn't stick. And we go, watch, here, you can use this one. We go press, hold on, press, and press. Alright, dip it. Yep. Here you go. Let me move this closer to you. Dip it, press. Yeah, good job. Alright, go grab your next one. Alright, we're going to speed this up. Good job. Good job. Oh, you want me to get a fork too?
I think that's it. Oh, you got 1 more.
Alright, so now we got our first batch. Little ones that are out there, please have an older person doing this part. This now needs to go in the oven.
Be careful, Daddy. Really burning.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 7.5 minutes. Awesome. So what we're going to go ahead and do is... Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to then cook that for the next 7 to 8 minutes. Probably a little closer to the 8. But it depends on how soft you want it. You want a little bit more done? It's all good. Helpful tip, if it's ever too hard, put it in wherever you store it, put a slice of bread in it, and the moisture of the bread will actually make the cookies softer. That's always a nice little tip to have in the back of your head. We're going to go ahead and get the next sheet ready with cookies. And then,
we're gonna eat.
well, we're cooking one batch. We're going to get the second one ready. Then we got to cool the first. We'll get it all done.
We're gonna fast forward that, so we're gonna grab this. Well, I think you kind of took my spoon because... Yeah, it's wicked. Push. It's in the cup.
All right, everybody. Quick little note before.
more.
There's more. So we got the second sheet ready. The first sheet will be coming out soon. And we've got to put some aluminum foil down because eventually, after 2 minutes cooling on the first cookie sheet, we will transfer it there to cool the rest of the way while we then rebadge it. All right, so that's how that's going to work. All right, so now we got the first batch cooled off for 2 minutes. We're going to take them and put them on that aluminum foil.
Yep.
And then they get to cool the rest of the time. Then we get to put another batch on here. All right, everybody. Oh, I'm sorry.
We're done, and we're done making cookies. They're all ready, but the other ones are not.
But we're going to go ahead and have our first one, right?
Yeah.
All right, why don't you grab a
This
cookie?
one, I have this one.
Oh, and what are you going to drink?
Milk.
Cookies and milk? Oh, is it still warm?
But
Oh,
it just froze.
that's okay. Guess what?
Now I have 2 pieces. Oh, yeah.
Mmm,
Mm,
milk?
so good.
Ah, man. Oh, it doesn't get much better now. Oh,
So
mm.
good.
Mom, if you're out there, thank you for the recipe. I hope you made your own batch. So good. Jocelyn, thank you so much for all of your instruction and help. You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye. We're stuffing. You guys stuff. We'll look to see you in the next episode. Have a great day. Bye-bye.